Okay, guys, a highlight from GreatStockPicks.com on Halloween here. One call I made was Dan, D-A-N. I'll take today's candle out of it just to show you. This had gap down and then a couple red days. This was on watch for a bounce play today, bottoming tail yesterday, and it did everything we wanted it to do early. Okay, what I like is when I call something as a bounce play, generally I'm not touching it till the afternoon, and then I won't touch it at all if it doesn't meet these parameters. But it did. Okay, it stayed in a nice narrow range. Right here is about the 30-minute mark of the day. Okay, here's the opening candle right here. 30 minutes in, so now we've clearly established a 30-minute high right there. But it stayed in a nice narrow range. So it's a simple problem. We just take the high of day break, preferably, like I said, not in the morning. So the entry was 1894, which triggered right there, and the stop was only 9 cents below. And look at that. That's a very simple trade to add to your arsenal. And that was our entry right there, right before the big move. Almost 90 cents, 86-cent move in our favor on 9 cents risk. Boyd Gaming, BYD. This is just one of those overdone sell-offs looking for a snapback bounce. Stephen B., one of our all-star moderators, spotted this and called it at 10.55 as it came back up here, low of day stop. And from 10.55, we got, it doesn't look like much, but we got pretty quickly up back through 11. And that was an easy lunchtime trade. I called Taser, T-A-S-R, just over this candle. It had this base, was very strong yesterday. Called it at 1807 with a 1993 stop. And it made its way, took a while, made its way to 1853. So almost 50-cent move in our favor on 14 cents risk. And then I called a bottoming play in OMEX. Somebody spotted this, and I actually called this at $1.94, which was right about there with a low of day stop. Which was 7 cents below, and this is a nice percentage gain. It took about 10 minutes to get going and went up to 229. That's a very nice percentage gain on a stock that cheap. Normally I don't play stocks that cheap, but it had a good chance of bouncing back, and we pretty much nailed the bottom on that one too. So I'm going to leave it at that for now, and we'll see everybody on Friday. Have a good night.